Hello everyone. I would like to discuss block on block in friction. This block on block topic is very important, mains and need. But how to easily, in easy method, we can solve the problem, I will explain. Like a shortcut method. Within 3 steps only, we need to solve the problem. So we will start. Block on block. So here in this topic, what are the questions they will ask? We will first see. Based on that, I will explain the concept also you can learn. See here, I will draw the physical situation. One block is there. It is placed on rough or smooth surface. So another block is placed over. So this block mass is M1. This block mass is M2. Now we need to apply a force, any one block. For example, I will first apply bottom block force. Means, for example, here two blocks are there. This is a bottom block, this is a top block. If we apply a force on bottom block, up to what force both blocks will move together? That force we can call, what is that? Maximum force. They will ask the question, first question, what is the F max of those two blocks? They will ask the question. For example, in top block means M2 mass of block, it is apply a force. Up to certain force, both blocks will move together. What force up to those two will move? They will ask the question. Next, up to F max, both blocks are moved together. What acceleration these two blocks are moving? They will ask another question. Next, here we are applying a force. In between these two blocks, it develops a frictional force. What is that value? They will ask another question. Next, if we are applying more than F max, what happened? These two blocks are moved separately. What are the individual accelerations of those two blocks? This type of questions will ask. But what I am telling means F max, we need to calculate first everything. So I will tell within 3 steps only, we need to calculate F max. Based on F max, easily calculate. Automatically in between only these 3 steps only acceleration will come. But based on this F max, we can get frictional force and also individual acceleration also will get. So here, what are the 3 steps are there? We will see. So first step, first find out limiting frictions FL of both surfaces. Here, see how many surfaces are there. Here, this surface is there. This surface is there. So, for example, I will take this is a coefficient of friction mu. This is also they will give coefficient of friction mu. I need to calculate limiting friction here. How much? FL. What is the formula is there? Mu into N. What is the formula? Mu into N. FL is equal to what? Mu into coefficient of friction into normal. Normal is equal to we know mg. Mass we know g value 10. You can get FL value. This surface and this surface we need to calculate. That is the first step. Second step, search which block has develops a frictional force, then that block acceleration you need to calculate. Means simply remember, here force is applying on M1 block. Automatically frictional force is developed M2 block. That block acceleration you need to calculate. That is the second step. So that block acceleration we can get. That is the second step. Next, third step, using this, what is that? Using this acceleration, substituting, what is that? This acceleration, we need to substitute in another block. Another block means what? We are calculated acceleration based on which block? Frictional force is developed on which block? M2. Force is applying M1. Frictional force is developed on M2 block. That M2 block acceleration we got. Automatically both blocks will move together, means both blocks acceleration is same. That acceleration you need to substitute another block. Another block means what? M1 block. Then what we can get here? F max value we can get. F max value we can get. These are the three steps. First, find out the limiting friction between two surfaces. Next, which block is developed a frictional force. That block acceleration you need to calculate. So using that acceleration value, substitute in another block, we can get F max. So in the process of F max, we can get acceleration also. Two questions will complete. Next, these two also will derive based on this only. So we will take a common example for all cases. Why? Because we did not again and again we cannot derive. So you can remember that F max values enough. See here, first case. $10 kg block is there. Place over 5 kg block. Now, this is a smooth surface. This coefficient of friction I will take mu is equal to 0. This coefficient of friction mu is equal to 0.2 I will take. Now, what is the first step of finding, what is the question here? Find out acceleration of, both are moving same, together means same acceleration only. And also find out, what is that? F max. Two questions we'll ask. So first step, what is that? We need to calculate limiting friction is equal to mu into n means mg. Mu how much here they gave? 0 they gave. 0 into something, m means 10, g also 10. 0 into something, 0. Next, this surface limiting friction Fl is equal to, what is that? Mu mg, same. Mu value how much? 0.2. M value 5 kg. G value 10. How much we can get? 10 newtons will get. 10 newtons will get. This is the first step over. Second step, what I said, search which block is developed the frictional force. Here I will take, for example, force is applying on bottom block means 10 kg block. Now frictional force is developed on which block? 5 kg. You can take first 5 kg. This is a 5 kg block. Now here bottom, what is the limiting friction is there in bottom? Fl 10 newtons. We know acceleration is equal to frictional force by mass. F is equal to ma. So frictional force how much? 10 newtons. Mass 5 kg. How much we can get? 2 meter per second square, acceleration of 5 kg. But F max means what? Up to that force, both blocks will move together, means both blocks acceleration is equal to how much? 2 meter per second. This acceleration we need to substitute 10 kg block. So I will draw the 10 kg block. 10 kg. Now here friction how much? Here limiting friction 0. Here in top how much? 10 newtons. Here applied force is this direction. Now force, this is equal to, this force is opposite direction. What is that? Minus 10. Minus 0, now need not to write. Is equal to F over MA. M how much? 10 kg. A how much it is there? 2. So F is equal to 20 plus 10, 30 newtons. This is the F max value we got. 2 answers we got. F max we got. Acceleration we got. This is the example of whenever we can apply a force on it. What is that? 10 kg means bottom block force. So bottom block force, what is the F max value? 30 newtons. You remember. Why? Because next cases also we can take same example. So remember the F max in bottom. Next in top block means 5 kg block, we will see how do we can calculate F max and acceleration. So see here 10 kg block. Smooth surface. So generally it indicates rough, but here I am taking that is a smooth. So this is a 5 kg block is placed over a 10 kg block. So coefficient of friction mu 0.2 I will take. So limiting friction here 0 will get. Here limiting friction, first case over, FL is equal to how much? Same only. What is that? 0.2 into 5 into 10. How much? 10 newtons will get. First step over. Here force is applying on 5 kg block. Force is applying on 5 kg block. Now we'll see what we need to calculate here also. Acceleration and F max we need to calculate. See, first step over. Second step what? Search which block has developed the frictional force. Already we are applying a force on which block? 5 kg block. Another block will develop the frictional force. Another block means what? 10 kg block. 10 kg block. Here frictional force is equal to how much here? Limiting friction 10, here 0. Here force is not applying. Now here acceleration is equal to F by mass. Frictional force how much here? Only 10. Mass is equal to 10. So what we can get here? 1 meter per second square. Both block acceleration we got 1 meter per second square. Now this acceleration we need to substitute. Another block nothing but which, how many? 5 kg block is there. So here 5 kg block force is applying this direction. Now in bottom limiting friction is there. How much? 10 kg. This is a 10 kg. Now force opposite direction limiting friction is equal to M. How much? 5 kg. A how much we got? 1 meter per second square. Now 5 plus 10 means F max value is equal to how much we got? 15 newtons. This is the F max up to 15 newtons. Both blocks will move together. If we can apply a 16 newtons, these will separate. Okay. So this is a first case. What is that? F max we calculated, including acceleration we got. In bottom block we are applied a force, and top block also we apply the force. Next case we will see. I will take a how much force I am applying. In that force, what is the frictional force is developed between the blocks we need to calculate. So first I will take a force in bottom block. 10 kg. 5 kg only. Same, I will take same example. Now, force is applying a bottom. How much? 10 newtons. So what is the question they will ask? What is the frictional force is there in between? This is the third question. Third question. So here we know in bottom block F max value we need to calculate. Already we calculated same values we can take. What is that? Mu is equal to 0.2 they gave. What is that? Coefficient of friction mu is equal to 0. So here we know FL is equal to 0. Here FL is equal to 10 newtons. Here F max value in bottom how much? 30 newtons, means 10 is less than of F max, means both blocks will move together. Both blocks will move together. So here what is the frictional force is there in between two blocks we need to calculate. So how do we need to calculate that value? Means here you can take any one block like a, for example, I will take 5 kg block. I will take 5 kg block. I will take. Now here friction, we need to find out frictional force. So I will take F only. We know F is equal to M. M how much? 5 kg. A we don't know. You can write as it is. Second case, another block you can take. 10 kg block you can take. Here, frictional force here, bottom is what? 0. So here frictional force we need to calculate F. So here applied the force is 10 newtons. So 10 newtons minus opposite direction means friction is equal to M. How much? 10 kg into A. So solve these two, means I will write here this equation. 10 minus F is equal to, what is that? 10A. So from these two equations, these two will cancel. What we got? 10 is equal to 15A. A is equal to how much we can get? 2 by 3 meter per second square. This is the one answer. If they will ask frictional force and also acceleration, means we can get the acceleration. If they ask only frictional force, also we can calculate. So I will take this equation. What is that? F is equal to 5A. How much we got? 2 by 3 means 10 by 3. 10 by 3 how much? 3.3 newtons. This is the answer of this question. What is that? In bottom block, they are applying a force less than F max. Then what is the frictional force in between them? We got. Next, in top block, 5 kg block, we will see. See here, this is a 10 kg block placed over a 5 kg block. Coefficient of friction mu 0.2, same only. Here mu 0 only. So limiting friction 0, limiting friction 10 newtons. Now, what they are asking here, applied a force. How much? 10 newtons. What is the acceleration of those two blocks? Means they 10 newtons means, so I will tell. And also we need to calculate F max. Sorry, F max we know. F max also we need to calculate. Then frictional force we need to calculate. F max already we calculated. How much it is there? In the top case, same 15 newtons we derived already. I am not deriving now. Acceleration means 10 is a less than of F max, means both the blocks will move together. So accelerations also same. Both blocks accelerations are same. So then I will take one block like a 5 kg block. Frictional force, this is a friction only, I will take F. But here applying a 10 newtons. So 10 minus F is equal to MA. M means how much? 5A we don't know. This is the first case. Second case, 10 kg block you can take 10 kg block. So here friction is there, F. Now F is equal to what we can write? 10. M, A means A only. Solve these two means I will write here second one 10A. Here these two will cancel. 10 is equal to 15A. A is equal to 2/3 meter per second square we got acceleration. This answer we know, this answer we got. Next, F is equal to what? 10A. 10A how much? 2/3 means 20/3 means 6.6 newtons we can get. So we got the frictional force also. Next, last case. What is that? Acceleration, individual acceleration. When it is possible, we can get the individual accelerations. Whenever we can apply a force more than F max. More than F max. So we will see. See here. This is a 10 kg block. Now I am applying on bottom more than F max. Already it is a 30 newtons. I will apply more than means 40 newtons. 40 newtons. So we are taking same example. So this is also 5 kg block. So this is a same 0.2 coefficient of friction. Mu is equal to 0. So FL is equal to 0. Here FL is equal to 10 newtons. We got it. Now how we need to calculate, what is that? Here also same acceleration. So we need to calculate now. That only mean. See here. F40 is greater than F max. Both the blocks will move. What is that? Blocks move separately. Means individual accelerations is there. So that we need to calculate. A1 is equal to how much? Means A1 means, for example, 10 kg block acceleration. A2 means F5 is equal to how much? We need to calculate. So how do we can calculate that values means we will see. First you can take any one like 5 kg block. I will take 5 kg. Now here frictional force is equal to how much? Here FL is equal to 10 newtons. Now F is equal to MA. A is equal to how much we can get? 5 kg. F by M. F how much? 10 newtons by 5 is equal to 2 meter per second square. 5 kg block acceleration we got. Next, what is that? 10 kg block we can take. 10 kg block. So in a 10 kg block, what is that? Limiting friction is equal to 10 newtons. Here applied force is equal to 40 newtons. Acceleration we need to calculate. So 40 minus opposite direction 10. If you want, you can take this also 0 minus 0 also you can take is equal to m 10. A we need to calculate. So how much we can get here? 30 is equal to 10A. A is equal to 3 meter per second square. So individual accelerations also we got. Individual accelerations also we got all the questions we discussed. But sometimes they will give coefficient of friction in bottom also they will give. So in that case, how to we can calculate the F max value we will see. How to we can calculate the F max value we will see. See here. Now, I will take 10 kg block. It is not a smooth surface. Now, coefficient of friction I will take. This is a 5 kg block. Coefficient of friction I will take mu is equal to 0.2. Here, coefficient of friction mu is equal to 0.1 I will take. Now, how to we can calculate F max value? That is the main important. F max value, how to we can calculate? What is the first step? See here. FL we need to calculate. FL, mu value how much? 0.1. M value how much? How much total weight is there? 15 into 10. How much we can get here? 15 newtons. Next, this value we know already. FL is equal to how much? 0.2 into 5 into 10 is equal to 10 newtons. First step over. Second step. Here, what I am telling, calculating F max on bottom only we will see. What is that? F max we are calculating. Automatically what? A also we can get. Second step over. First step over. Second step we need to see. Now force is applying on bottom. Such which block is developed the frictional force? 5 kg block. I will draw 5 kg block. Now how much it is there? FL is equal to 10 newtons. Now here A is equal to how much we can get? 10 by 5 means 2 meter per second square we got. Acceleration we got here. Next block we need to calculate. This acceleration we need to substitute in 10 kg block. 10 kg. Now here see, this is the 15 newtons. This is the 10 newtons. 10 newtons. Here see, this is the 10 in top, bottom is 15. Now here applied force I am writing. So force is equal to opposite direction of friction. How much? 15 minus 10 is equal to, what is that? Mass 10. Acceleration we know same only. It is a F max means both blocks will move together means same acceleration will come. So 2. So F is equal to 20 plus 25 means 45. So newtons. So F max in this case is equal to how much we got? 45 newtons. Similarly, we can calculate in top block also force is applying. F max we need to calculate. Next, they will give the value like a applied force less than F max. We can calculate the frictional force also same procedure. If they will give more than F max, we need to calculate individual accelerations of two blocks. We need to calculate. Similar, same only. So this is the complete explanation of block on block. What is that? Mainly we can derive the solution in 3 steps. That is based on F max. If we got the F max, this is also simple steps. We can get frictional force accelerations. Okay. Thank you everyone.